Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee, car fans. Forget spoilers and chrome rims on your car. Today, we're diving headfirst into the bizarre, utterly insane, and logic-defying car mods ever created. These aren't your average custom jobs at a local garage. These are rolling monuments to madness, creativity, and just a hint of lunacy. We found the top 10 craziest car mods that simply defy automotive logic. Buckle up, because things are about to get weird. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the most entertaining automotive content out there. Let's get started. 10. The Upside Down Truck. Coming in at number 10, we have the Upside Down Truck. No, your screen isn't flipped. This real-life vehicle was built to look like it's been flipped on its roof permanently. But what's really going on here? Well, underneath the optical illusion is a fully functioning pickup, with the real wheels hidden inside the roof frame. The faux wheels above spin freely, tricking drivers and pedestrians alike. The builder, Rick Sullivan, said he wanted to turn heads, and it's safe to say, mission accomplished. It's not fast, it's not practical, but it's a rolling prank that messes with people's brains every time they see it. 9. The Six-Wheeled Monster Limo. Next on the list is the Six-Wheeled Monster Limo. Someone clearly looked at a limo and thought, sure, but what if it had 3 axles and could haul lumber? This Frankenstein road monster is part luxury cruiser, part pickup, and part off-roader. It's got extended suspension, oversized tires, and enough chrome to blind a small village. While some six-wheel conversions aim for utility, this build is pure spectacle. It doesn't corner well. It probably gets about 4 miles per gallon. But when it pulls up at a car meet, all eyes are locked on it. Logical? Not even close. Unforgettable, however. You bet it is. 8. The V8-powered Barbie Jeep. This next one redefines overkill. Picture a pink Barbie Power Wheels Jeep, but not battery-powered anymore. This one has a full-blown V8 engine under the hood. Built by mad geniuses of the modding world, this mod took a plastic child's toy and turned it into a legitimate race machine. The reinforced chassis is barely holding on, and every time it fires up, it sounds like a drag car escaping a toy store. Is it street legal? No. Is it safe? Of course not. But it is the most hilarious Barbie car ever built. 7. The jet-powered Volkswagen Beetle. Jet engines and Volkswagens were never meant to meet. But number 7 on our list throws caution and common sense out the window. The jet-powered Beetle is the brainchild of jet mechanic Ron Patrick. It's a street-legal Beetle with a real jet engine strapped to the back. Yes, it still has the stock front engine to drive it around town. But when you flip the jet switch, all bets are off. It can shoot flames, shatter windows from the noise, and theoretically top 140 miles per hour using jet thrust alone. The FAA might not love it, but car lovers can't get enough of it. This Beetle isn't bugging around. 6. The Hot Tub Cadillac. Sometimes comfort goes too far. That's certainly the case with the Hot Tub Cadillac. This absurd mod started out as a 1969 Cadillac DeVille. Then someone said, hey, let's rip out the rear seats and put a fully functional hot tub in there. The result? A rolling spa complete with jets, heating, and waterproof upholstery. Yes, it actually works while driving. It needs constant refills, it's a nightmare to drain, and turning a corner means praying the water doesn't soak pedestrians. But as far as wild weekend rides go, it's unstoppable. 5. The Tank Prius. You've certainly heard of hybrid efficiency, but what about hybrid destruction? Behold, the Tank Prius. This one-of-a-kind mod took a humble Prius and replaced its wheels with continuous rubber tracks like a mini-tank. The idea was to create the world's first eco-friendly war machine. Of course, that's absurd. It gets nowhere near the Prius fuel economy, and it's about as nimble as a brick in molasses. But it can crawl over snowbanks, sand dunes, and the remnants of logical thought. The Prius may be known for quiet commuting, but not this one. It rolls right into battle. 4. The Triple-Decker Car. If a double-decker bus isn't enough for you, how about a triple-decker sedan? This Frankenstein's tower of cars is a structural mystery. 3 different vehicles, usually compact cars, are welded one on top of another, forming a tall, awkward pyramid of steel. Only the bottom car is functional and the top 2 are gutted shells. But they're real cars, mounted as if gravity just gave up. The idea isn't performance, it's simply pure chaotic fun. You can't go through drive-thrus, you can't park it in a garage. But as far as neck-snapping reactions go, well, you're going to get lots of those. 3. The twin-engine front and back truck most cars go forward and backward. But this crazy modded vehicle? It does both at the same time. The double front-end truck is real. It has 2 driver seats, 2 steering wheels, and 2 engines, one in each cab. Depending on which key you turn, it drives forward or backward from either end. Designed more as a stunt vehicle than a daily driver, this bizarre machine defies every rule of a vehicle layout. U-turns? Who needs them? Just flip around and keep driving the other way. It's symmetry taken to the extreme, and your brain might hurt just looking at it. 2. The vertical smart car. This one looks like it escaped straight from a cartoon. It's a smart car turned vertical. The entire vehicle has been rotated 90 degrees, with the front bumper now facing the sky and the rear bumper facing the ground. Inside, a custom seat and steering setup lets the driver operate it upright, like they're riding an elevator on wheels. It drives like a terrifying Segway, and its cornering is basically non-existent. But it rolls, it functions, and breaks physics in half. Whoever built this was thinking outside of the car. Way outside of it. 1. The shovel-nosed school bus racer. And now, for our final entry on this list, we have the wildest, most logic-defying car mod we've ever seen. The shovel-nosed school bus racer. It looks like a school bus crossed with a jet fighter and a dragster. It features a low-slung, shovel-nosed design for improved aerodynamics, oversized rear slicks, and an afterburner system that emits actual flames. You read that right, this school bus breathes fire. Inside, there's a race seat, a full harness, and a roll cage. 0 children allowed, as it's been clocked at over 100 miles per hour on the drag strip. Originally created as a parody, this monster ended up becoming a crowd favorite at exhibitions and burnout contests. It's big, it's loud, and it makes 0 sense, just the way crazy modded car fans like it. So there you have it, the 10 wildest car mods that straight up defy logic. These builds may not win races, pass inspections, or even fit in a parking space, but they're unforgettable. Whether it's a jet-powered Beetle, a vertical smart car, or a flaming school bus, these creations remind us that cars don't have to make sense. They just have to make a statement. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and if you've seen an even crazier car mod out in the wild, be sure to drop that too. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Chrome and Coffee, and ring the bell for more bizarre builds, epic rides, and automotive insanity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.